With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We remove the battery. Here we have the connector of the screen. We disconnect the front camera. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. We disconnect the main camera of the device. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.